How you doing? How you feeling? I pray all is well in your world, and welcome back to another video. To my OGs and new news, I love y'all. I appreciate all the love and encouragement. I thank you for rocking with me and staying the course. I am so proud of you and want you to know that you made it. You survived 100% of all your bad days, and you're still here. I thank God for you. Now you know what it is, and you know what we do. Let's get it. So my friends, how's everybody been doing? How's everybody going? I know this video is long overdue, but I am trying to get back on track. Let me know down in the comments what you would like to see going further, going through into the new year 2026. And let me know what you'd like to see from my channel. If you don't look like this after you wash dishes, did you really wash the dishes? Hello, besties. We got a little haul. Not a lot. We went to Walmart. Of course, you know, your girl's favorite store. But for Christmas, this is what my husband got me. It is the beautiful single-serve coffee maker. And I can either put coffee beans in it and grind or use pre-ground coffee. I no longer need a pod. So we're going to test that out in a little while, and I'm going to take y'all along with me. We got that. And then picked up, you know, that we made too much, or, you know, they got to reduce it quickly. So So we got some Chips Ahoy muffins. I picked up some crispy round potatoes because, you know, I can. These are cheese bow tie triple filled Danishes. I got some York peppermint patty chips for our hot chocolate or the fraps that I make for everybody. I picked up the industrial size Slap Your Mama because this is what I need for my green beans. I got another thing for the deep dish pie because, you know, for Christmas, we're having a sweet potato pie. I picked up some Dunkin' white chocolate peppermint coffee. And this is the regular donut shop coffee. A thing of Cool Whip and 2 boxes of soft silk cake flour. This is what I use to make my pound cakes. A case of water, a case of A&W, and a case of Cherry 7-Up. From Family Dollar, I picked up a brand new anti-fatigue mat for the kitchen and a giant thing of toilet paper. So here's the old one, rusty crusty, time to go. And 2 things of forks. That was from the Family Dollar. And husband also got me this for Christmas. It's this is the Home Depot brand of the Cobalt Mini 2 box, but it's husky. And it has the 2 drawers and then the lock part so you can lift it up and do it that way. So, yeah. And I'll show y'all what I'm going to use with it for. So, that is all for the haul. Let's put it away.
Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' through. Are you been good, haven't you? Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' through. You been good, haven't you? I'm not trying to put demons in your mind. I just wanna wish you a good night. Hope you get the cream with the pie. And what's under the tree, hit your vibe. Couple of G's, couple good tries, couple of T's that you gon' be in while getting your C's. You went too right and I took it too far. Look like a fool, even the mob was. Look like a kid with the heart that's lit. Santa's bringing all he can fit. You did your part, he doing his. Yeah, like I'm the superintendent of this facility. I get the people what they want with agility. Yes, moving quickly, past ups and my enemies. They just file ledgers, but they all real of me. Trust me, I'm about to get you hooked up. I'ma get your jealous friends crying. On my R&B shift, I'ma get your Christmas vibing. Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' through. Like you been good, haven't you? Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' through. You been good, haven't you? My eyes started stream from the offset. Between the wants and the needs, I don't process. Like they talking French when they say son got nothing. I cannot comprehend how we gave up on justice. Leaving feeling beaten down, all left behind. On this holy night, least we can do is try to make things right. Trust me, I'm about to get you hooked up. I'ma get your jealous friends crying. On my R&B shift, I'ma get your Christmas vibing. Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' through. Like you been good, haven't you? Santa Claus pulled up, come get the loot. You better been watching what you do. None of that list you got, they gon' through. You been good, haven't you?
Hello besties, grocery haul. I picked up some donut shop whole bean coffee for my coffee maker, some Biscoff cookies. We got a Christmas tree topper, frosted flakes, Dino Bites, fruit and cream oatmeal, 36 count eggs, strawberry lemonade, Minute Maid berry punch, storage quart bags, slow cooker liner. Those ones are gallon storage bags. Fruit punch, this big thing of 16 count cupcake, International Delight iced coffee, thing of eggnog, a half a gallon of milk, a thing of Yoo-Hoo for the kids, Cheez-Its, cheesy tacos, Oreo cookies, and a 40 count of water. That is all for the haul. Let's put it away. Hello besties, grocery haul. I went to Giant Eagle and Aldi's and Walmart. From Giant Eagle I picked up the this is kale and collard greens for Christmas dinner. I picked up some cran pineapple and cran tropical juice, Hawaiian punch for the kiddos, and 4 cans of creamless celery soup for my macaroni and cheese. From Aldi's, I picked up celery. They had some of the Stroop waffles, so I picked those up. 4 of the mint striped fudge cookies because my family loves them. And 2 cans of whole potatoes. This is for potato salad. Honey, vanilla icing for the pound cake I gotta make tonight. I picked up some mini waffle cones. Kids like those with their hot chocolate. Brown sugar, mini marshmallows. 3 things of shredded cheese. I got mild cheddar and 2 of the triple cheddar. Pepperoni, sliced cheese. 2 cans of cream of mushroom. 2 cans of jellied cranberry sauce. A thing of cream cheese, just plain. 2 cans of sliced pineapple. Another thing of sticked butter. 2 things of Hawaiian roll. 2 of the beef smoked sausages. 1 thing of maple bacon. Then the regular bacon for my greens. And sausage patties, 2 dozen eggs, 2 loaves of bread, 2 things of pizza, and the kettle chips. You see the flavors. 3 things of water, and from Dollar Tree I picked up 4 of my Dr. Pepper Jack Links, Christmas cards, and 6 of these trays. 6 or 7, I can't remember, but those are for Christmas dinner. From Walmart, I picked up a shoe rack and a bookcase because these are going upstairs for a project I'm doing this weekend, and of course my medicine. That is all for the haul. Let's put it away.